Today I'm going to be showing you how to look good in Roblox when you have no Robux. This will make people think you actually have Robux, which is very cool, especially when you have no Robux. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to look good in Roblox with no Robux. And this stuff is all free, so yeah, you won't have to worry about buying any Robux. Okay, so to start off with, we are going to change our face. So this smile is really plain, and there's nothing really to it. So we can change the face to the woman face. You should automatically have this in your inventory when you start the game. So, yeah. You won't have to worry about going to the catalog and getting the face. Okay, next thing is hair. So, search lavender updo in the catalog. I'm just going to show you guys this real quick. So, you would go to, you go to accessories and then hair. And then you want to search lavender updo. And then make sure this says free. And then it'll be the only thing that pops up. You'll see lavender updo and then free on the bottom, and you just click on that and get it. And I already have this in my inventory, so yeah, you guys would just have to get it unless you already have it. So now you just gotta put on your avatar, and now your hair is lavender. And the next thing I would do, because the hair is really big for the head. I don't know if it's just me. So I would take off the head, and yeah, so you just have that. And then the next thing I'd worry about is skin tone. And then you go to that. You know what? So I go to that. And yeah, that makes you look tan, which is very, very nice. And then you go to shirts, and then you want to put on the Roblox jacket. Now, all you gotta do is go to catalog and look it up in the catalog. You go to clothing, shirts, and then Roblox jacket, and then put free, and then you'll see the first one that pops up will say Roblox jacket, below it free, so click on that, and yeah, so just get it, and yeah, so you'll have the Roblox jacket, and then go back to your avatar, go to shirts, and then you'd put that on. And then for pants, I would, I don't know, if these are what you guys want, but for me, I would put on, with the jacket, I just think it seems better to put on jeans than shorts, so, put on the long jeans, and you just gotta look up in the catalog, beautiful U jeans in the catalog, and then go to pants, then free, and then search beautiful U jeans, and it'll be the first one that pops up with below it free. You just get that, go back to your avatar, and put on that. And then I would change the legs to the man legs because it looks more realistic to me. And then since I don't really like R6 since it kind of puts your pants like over your shirt, which doesn't really make sense. I would put on R6. And yeah. And then this is the final step, which I think is like the best. Search in the catalog. Pika loves cookies. And t-shirts. Pika loves cookies. And then click on free. And then the first one that pops up with free below it, click on that and get that. And then once you have that, you want to put it on your avatar. And then it'll look like you have a shirt on instead of the Roblox jacket. So basically, as you could see, it looks like I'm not wearing the Roblox jacket and I'm actually wearing an actual shirt. So this will actually make you look like you got this with Robux, which is very cool. And then you are pretty much good unless you want to put on a hat. So it doesn't matter what hat you put on. I'm just gonna try these on real quick and see which one looks best with this. So, okay. This is the Roblox baseball cap, which doesn't really look good with this. I mean, it just doesn't look realistic, so I'll just take that off. Let's try something else on. So this is the 2018 Roblox visor. It doesn't match anything, so I wouldn't use that. This one might actually be good. Yeah, this goes like right below that part. So I would definitely recommend this because it matches with the shoes. And then this this doesn't do good with this hair unless you want to put on this with it, which is good too if you don't like the lavender updo. So this is the complete Roblox avatar. And yeah, this is how to look like you have Robux in Roblox and to look good with no Robux. So yeah, and we got this all for free, so you don't have to worry about buying anything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It doesn't matter if you wear R15. You just gotta adjust the scale a little bit to fit what you want it to be. And yeah, though I recommend R6 because it definitely works better in a lot of situations. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You could put on a necklace if you want. I just don't like how it sticks out, but you won't have to worry about it covering the Pikachu. And so you can wear this. And there's also something you can wear on your shoulders. This. And you actually get this through a promo code. So I'm going to show you guys this. Okay. So you would go to the Roblox promo codes, and then you search in all caps tweet Roblox, no spaces, click redeem, and as you can see, I already redeemed this code. So as you can see, it is redeemable. It's not expired or anything. You can still get it. And yeah, if you want a bird on your shoulder, you just get that, and then you get a bird. It sticks a little bit into the hair, but it still works really well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Unless you got anything from events, you can wear that too. But yeah, I would consider this the complete avatar. So yeah, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and comment if this was a good tutorial and if you like the avatar. Um, you could always get other hairs too, which most of the hairs should already be in your inventory. So you can wear a lot of other hairs with this, depending on what you like. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!